Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask with a QR code. First, ensure your MetaMask browser extension is open on your computer. Then, go to the decentralized application you want to use. Look for the Connect Wallet or similar button on that application's website. This initial step prepares your desktop for the mobile connection process. Once you click Connect Wallet, you'll likely see several options. Choose Wallet Connect to proceed. After selecting it, a unique QR code will appear on your computer screen. This code is essential for securely linking your mobile MetaMask app to the desktop application. It's a quick and easy way to bridge your devices. Now, grab your smartphone and open the MetaMask mobile app. Look for the scan icon, which often resembles a square or a camera, usually located at the top of the app's interface. Tap this icon to activate your phone's camera. Carefully position your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. After successfully scanning the QR code, your MetaMask mobile app will display a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to review the details of the connection to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, tap the Connect or Approve button on your phone. Your MetaMask mobile wallet is now securely linked to the decentralized application on your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.